Hi dear children, welcome back to your physics class. Today we are going to discuss about the numericals given in your textbook. Okay, so the first question is the temperature of a body rises by 1 degree Celsius. The temperature of a body rises by 1 degree Celsius. What is the corresponding rise on the Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale? So from this question we understood that the temperature of a body is given as 1 degree Celsius. Okay, so it rises by 1 degree Celsius. Then what is the corresponding temperature or the Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale? This is the question. Okay, so we know that in the case of Celsius scale 100 divisions are there, and in the case of Fahrenheit scale 180 divisions are there, Kelvin scale 100 divisions are there. So related to this, we can write like this: 100 divisions on the Kelvin Celsius scale is equal to 180 divisions on the Fahrenheit scale. 100 divisions on the Celsius scale is equal to 180 divisions on the Fahrenheit scale. Therefore, 1 division on Celsius scale is equal to, I just write like this, 180. This 180 by this 100 we can take to this side, 100 into 1 division. Okay, so 0 0 cancel. 18 into 1, 18. 18 divided by 10, 1.8. So this is the answer. The same thing I wrote here. So you can see that 1 division on Celsius scale is equal to 180 by this 100 into 1. So we will get the answer as 1.88 divisions. So that means 1 division on Celsius scale corresponding to 1.8 divisions on the Fahrenheit scale. Okay. So from the same questions we have to find out the corresponding temperature on Kelvin scale also. So for that is the same relations we can write. Okay. So we know that in the case of Celsius scale 100 division and Kelvin scale also 100 division. So 100 division in the Celsius scale is equal to 100 divisions in the Kelvin scales. Therefore 1 division on Celsius scale is equal to this 100 by 100 into 1. Okay, so we will get 1 division. So that means 1 division on Celsius scale corresponding to 1 division on Kelvin scale. So okay, 1 degree Celsius on Celsius scale is equal to 1 division on Kelvin scale. Okay. So the second question is the temperature rises by 18 degree Fahrenheit. What is the rise on the Celsius scale? Okay, so the temperature is given as 18 degree Fahrenheit. The rise in temperature is given as 18 degree Fahrenheit. So we have to find out the rise in the Celsius scale. Okay, so we know that 180 divisions on the Fahrenheit scale is equal to 100 divisions on the Celsius scale. So we have to, therefore 18 divisions on the Fahrenheit scale is equal to this 100 divided by 180 we can take to this side into 18. 0 0 cancel, 18 18 cancel, we will get an answer as 10. So 18 divisions on the Fahrenheit scale is equal to 10 divisions on the Celsius scale, that is equal to 10 degree Celsius. So this is the answer. Okay. The third question is convert 5 degree Fahrenheit to the Celsius scale. So here the temperature given in Fahrenheit. So we have to convert this Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. Okay. So for that we have already learned one equations related to the Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Did you remember that? So by using that equations we can solve this equation. So, okay. So let us start to find out the answer of this question. For that we should write the equation first. Okay. So we know that the equation is C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. So in this question already given the temperature in Fahrenheit, that is F is equal to 5 degree Fahrenheit. So substitute these values on the given equation, that is C by 5 is equal to, F means 5 degree. So 5 by 5 minus 32 by 9. Okay. So C by 5 is equal to 5 minus 32 means minus 27 divided by 9. Subtract these two terms together. Then we will get C by 5 is equal to minus 27 by 9 means minus 3. Therefore, C is equal to minus 3 into 5 we can take to this side 5. So that we get minus 15. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. That means minus 15 means minus 15 degree Celsius. Okay, minus 15 degree Celsius. So this is the answer. So 5 degree in Fahrenheit is equal to minus 15 degrees in degree Celsius scale. Okay, so this is the answer of third question. So the fourth question is convert 40 degrees Celsius to the Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. So here the degree Celsius scale, the temperature in degree Celsius scale is already given. So we have to convert the temperature into Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. For this first we should write the equation. Okay, so for that, wait, we know the equation, that is C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. So the given values also we need to write. So it's already given C is equal to 40 degree Celsius. Okay, then substitute the value on the above equation. Then we get C means 40, it is already given. Divide by 5 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. F minus 32 divided by 9. Then 40 divided by 5 we know 8. So F minus 32 divided by 9. So this 9 we can take to this side. Then 8 into 9 is equal to F minus 32. Let us change the left and right side. So F minus 32 is equal to 9 into 8, 72. Okay. Then F equal to 72 plus minus 32 will come to this side, it will become positive. So 32, we will get the answer as 104 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the answer. So for any question, if converting like this question will come, you should write the equation, that is C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. You should by heart this equation. Okay. So from the same questions we have to convert the degree Celsius into Kelvin scale also. For that, first we should write the temperature in degree Celsius is already given. So the temperature in degree Celsius we can denote like this. T degree Celsius is already given, that is 40 degrees Celsius. We know that if any temperature is given in degree Celsius and we need to convert it into Kelvin scale, we have to add the temperature in degree Celsius plus 273 with it. Okay, so T degree Celsius is equal to T plus 273 Kelvin. It will give the temperature in Kelvin. So T degree Celsius means the temperature in Celsius scale, that is 40 degree Celsius. So T means the temperature in degree Celsius, that is 40 plus 273 Kelvin, that is 330 Kelvin. Okay, so this is the answer. This way we can convert the temperature in degree Celsius scale into Kelvin scale. Suppose, this is one example for your understanding. Suppose 20 degrees Celsius. The temperature in degree Celsius scale is given as 20 degrees Celsius. How we can convert the temperature into Kelvin scale? Very simple. 20 plus 273. It will give the temperature in Kelvin. Suppose 100 degrees Celsius is given. We have to convert this one into Kelvin scale. So what we can do? 100 plus 273. If any temperature given in Celsius scale and we need to convert this one into Kelvin, what we have to do? We just add the given temperature plus 273 with the 273. Okay. So question number 5 is convert minus 40 degree Fahrenheit into the Celsius scale. So here we the temperature in the Fahrenheit scale is given. We have to convert the Fahrenheit temperature, the temperature in Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. Okay, so for that we can use the same equation. Okay, so let us write the equation first. Okay, so we know that C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. Listen, so if we need to convert the temperature in Fahrenheit into Celsius or Celsius into Fahrenheit, we can use this equation. While in the case of temperature, we need to change from Celsius to Kelvin. We have to add 273 with the given temperature. Okay, so here we can use these equations. So C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. So here the temperature in Fahrenheit scale is given. F is equal to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. So substitute this value on above equation. Then we can write C by 5 is equal to F means minus 40 minus 32 divided by 9. Okay, then we can write like this. C by 5 is equal to minus 40 minus 30 means here 2 minus are together. So if negative and negative will come, what we have to do? Yes, we should add the two numbers together. If they have the same sign, we should add the two number together. Okay, so minus 40 minus 32 means minus 72 divided by 9. So minus 72 by 9 means C by 5 is equal to minus 8. Therefore, C is equal to minus 8 into this 5 we can take to this side 5. So minus 8 into 5 is equal to minus 40 degree Celsius. Okay, so what is the answer? Minus 40 degree Celsius. Okay, so we can use this equation to find out the answer of this question. Last answer we get like this, that is minus 40 degree Celsius. Okay, dear children, if you have any doubt related to this numericals, you can call me, otherwise you can send message to me. Okay, so our chapter finished. Okay, so if you have any doubt related to this chapter also, you can send message. Okay, so next Tuesday you will be having physics class test for this